Airofog stainless steel non-drip sprayer. The pump cylinder is made of stainless steel. Unlike other non-check valves made of rubber, Airofog's brass CNC engineered valve prevents corrosion and reduces valve's contact with chemical. This unique design increases the ease of pressurizing the sprayer. An incorporation of a pressure release valve prevents the unit from over-pressurizing. The spray lance's unique non-drip feature has a built-in cord running from the trigger to the nozzle end, enabling a total cutoff of the chemical solution at the multi-jet nozzle. The newly designed O-ring to replace the valve packing eliminates the need for any adjustment on the trigger valve. Specially designed and built according to WHO specifications, the hose is made detachable with a hose clamp for the operator to perform emergency troubleshoot if required. The multi-jet nozzle also provides 4 choices of spray pattern without the need of changing nozzles. Operation and functionality. Multi-jet nozzles for different use. Valve. With the CF valve, the operator is guaranteed a constant output pressure of 1.5 bar at the nozzle regardless of the overall higher pressure in the tank. This output consistency and uniform droplet spectrum results in optimal application of pesticides. Should pressure fall below 1.5 bar, output will cease. With spraying maintained at this optimal level of 1.5 bar, chemical wastage is minimized and efficiency in dosage calculation attained. In addition, droplets of 100 microns VMD are produced at low volumes, which reduces the risk of inhalation caused by heavy droplets bouncing off targeted areas. In short, CF valve enables the operator to save time, cost, and increase safety. Airofog stainless steel dust sprayer. Airofog stainless steel dust sprayer provides a tight enclosure for maintaining the dryness within the sprayer and prevents any contamination or moisture on the dust insecticide. This will generally save time on the constant cleaning and drying of the dust sprayer when left unused. Airofog stainless steel foam sprayer. Airofog stainless steel foam sprayer ensures the foam is evenly distributed, thus providing total coverage and long-lasting residual on the applied area.